I was ecstatic today to be making my funnel cake mini donuts, but I got a mini big problem. I ran out of powdered sugar. What am I gonna do? But no worries.
For easy homemade powdered sugar, all you need is one ingredient, granulated sugar. Next, you're gonna want to grab the blender. Check. Then, let's open that bad boy up. And we're gonna grab that granulated sugar. I'm gonna start off with 2 cups of sugar. Depends on how big you want the batch. All I need is a small batch. So we're gonna go with 2 cups. There goes the second. Check. Then we gotta put that lid on. Secured. For safety, of course. Power on. Do you hear the blender? Make sure it's on high speed or pulse. Whatever you like, but it gotta be high speed. Watch that snow. Ooh, brr. It's getting cold. Keep going. You wanna blend that maybe a minute. I was gonna use profanity, but I thought that wasn't a wise choice. I'm family friendly. Okay, I see snow. Whoa, don't mind that frying pan. I wore my son's feet. Pour it in. Yeah, I think we got most of it. And feel that texture. Good old powdered sugar, 1 ingredient. Please like, subscribe, comment for more.